Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the line command. From the center point, make a straight line, escape, select this line, make it construction. Okay, go to arc command, take 3-point arc, make the arc profile. Okay, go to dimension, select this point, select the center line, define this 30. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this end point, go to dimension, define this also as 30, enter, define the radius of 35, go to coincident, select this center point, select this center line. Okay, finish sketch. Here go to revolve. So this will be the profile. This will convert to surface profile as it is an open profile. For axis, select the center line. Now here we don't want a full profile. I'll click on angle and take a 15 degree and take it symmetric. Press OK. Now here go to origin and here we are going to make one more profile. Okay. So this will be the parallel profile X Z plane. Go to create sketch. Take circle command. Here make one circle of diameter 5.5. Okay. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Go to vertical constraint. Here we'll find the center point. So this yellow point is center point and select this. Now here go to line command, make a center line, vertical center line and scale. Select this line, make it construction. Here go to circular rectangular pattern, select this line, circle, go to direction, now select this line. Here take a count of 3, center to center distance 5.5, direction 2, select this line once again, flip the direction, count of 3, distance 5.5 and press OK. Okay, finish sketch. Now extrude, select complete profile and here flip the direction. Okay, go to extrude once again, select this, select them one by one, flip the direction and here take 2, rotate and select this outer surface. Okay, so this profile will be created and press OK. Okay, when we select this profile, this will take this curvature. Okay, go to home. Now select this. Okay, we are left with the whole profiles. So double click sketch 2, go to circle command and make whole of 3, dia 3. Okay, and scale. Now here select this, right click, edit pattern. Okay, it will not take here. So we'll make a pattern again, rectangular pattern. Select this circle, go to direction 1, select this line, count of 3, 5.5 distance, direction 2, select this line, count of 3 and pattern 5.5 center to center, flip the direction and OK. Finish sketch. Now here also we have to change, double click extrude, select profile, press shift and unselect this middle circle. Okay, it will open the profile and press OK. Rotate the profile, you can see open profile here. Okay, go to circular pattern, select this complete profile. You can select pattern solid, so it will select the complete profile. Rotation axis, we will select the y axis, and here the count will be of 38. Now here pattern is being generated. You can select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, from here select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Now I want a cutout here, so I'll select the middle plane, the exit plane, go to create sketch, circle command, select the center point, the green point, make here a diameter of 55 mm, 3D model, extrude, select the profile, take here cut, flip the direction, drag the cursor upside. Okay, so it will generate a cut profile and press OK. Okay, now here we will define the appearance. I'll take the light red color. Okay, light red. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct pattern design in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.